Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to use bend deformer in Cinema 4D. Let's get started. So first step, let's go to here and select cube. Okay. And change cube size like this. And move to up. Okay, nice. Then go to here and select bend. Okay, let's use bend. Nice. Okay, select this bend and move to inside this cube. Again, let's use. Nice, work it. And let's click fit to parent. Again, let's use. Nice. So we have some problems. Okay, this is our problem. We need to add segments here. Let's change strength 0 and select this cube. Change segments X 50, segments Y 50, and segment Z again 50. Go to here. Let's open shading lines. Okay. Again, back to bend. Select this bend and change strength like this. Okay, nice. We can change angle like this and change size here and this. Nice. And we can change size here. Okay. So let's Ctrl Z. Okay. Change strength like this. And change mode within box. Let's see. Okay. And we can use unlimited. Okay. And let's back to limited. Okay. So select this cube. Again, change segments 100 and this 100 and this. Back to bend and change strength like this. Okay, this is cylinder. Nice. And we can change angle like this. And this is abstract animation. We can animate this with keyframes. Let's make keyframe. Let's click this circle and go to 19 keyframe. Change like this and click again this angle keyframe. Okay, let's click play. Nice. This is our abstract animation. Change here only shadings. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.